let's take a look at what algorithm is. Many of us here, we are actually on Instagram, we're on Facebook, and every other social media. All these medium, they actually have their own algorithm built out for the system. There are certain things that you do that actually triggers how the algorithm reacts to you. For instance, if you create content on Instagram, the algorithm favors you because the Instagram algorithm does not promote content that are actually made outside Instagram. On LinkedIn, for instance, when you share links as content, it's hard for it to move up. But when you share slides in forms of carousel, LinkedIn actually places a kind of 30% boost on that kind of content. So this is how Upwork works. Algorithms are just a set of programmed instruction that helps to solve a problem or kind of perform functions in all of these media. Let's look at the importance of Upwork's ranking algorithm. When you finally totally understand how the Upwork algorithm works, it can help you to optimize your profile and also optimize your proposal. It will enhance your visibility, which leads to more opportunities for you and potential clients. This is how Upwork algorithm works. Now, Upwork's ranking algorithm uses two search methods to find the right talents for clients. The first one is the platform-generated data. Now, the platform-generated data, these are the things that we see around your job success score, the number of completed projects, client feedback, and all of that. So with all this put together, Upwork actually puts an algorithm around these places mentioned, including your job tags, your skill tags, your overview, the keywords. These are data. So the more the keywords that you have inside your profile, the more the algorithm will throw you out in search results. That's one of the things. Then the second thing is the freelancer generated information. Actually, the descriptions of what you have to offer, your services and all that. These are the things that the algorithm actually looks at. If a client goes to the first page of Upwork search and sees you, maybe they type in content writer, there are a lot of chances for you to land at least one job in a week because people are seeing you. But when they can't see you, it's difficult to hire you. Remember, there are millions of freelancers on the platform, or millions of freelancers everywhere. So why you? So your visibility is actually what counts here. Apart from your expertise, you need to be visible.